So this type of questions is related to regions and inequalities. Regions because it mentions the word region in the question. Inequalities because you can see x greater than 3 is an inequality. It's important to understand when you have greater than or less than, you will have a dashed line. When you have greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, basically the equal to sign, this line underneath, you'll have a solid line. Just remember that. Okay, so let's get going for 3 marks. They are saying x is greater than 3. Now, the typical mistake is, oh, the x-axis is horizontal, therefore x is greater than 3 is also horizontal. Wrong. X is greater than 3 is the line, or the dashed line. Dash because it says greater than, is this. It's the line that almost goes through x equals 3. Same goes for y is greater than 1. You might think y-axis is vertical, so therefore this must be vertical. No. If you remember that the x is vertical, then y must be horizontal. So again, it's a dashed line because y is greater than 1. And it's basically remembering the line must go through, or touch in this case, y equals 1. Now already you should be on at least 1 mark. This is the tricky one. This is saying x plus y equals 7. And the best way to plot this is, if x is 0, y must be 7 for you to have 7. Because remember, something plus something must equal 7. So, or when x is 1, y must be 6, because you need it to equal to 7. I always try little numbers, x is 0, x is 1, and x is 2, to plot. So when x is 0, y is 7. When x is 1, y is 6. When x is 2, y is 5. That's what I always do. Okay, I always do x coordinates of 0, 1, and 2, and I'll try and find out what my y coordinate is. Remember, this is saying you need 2 coordinates which add up to 7. If it was this, you would say, well, x is 0, so y must be 5. X is 1, so y must be 4. But you need to add up to 5. X is 2, y must be 3 for it to add up to 5. And that's how you would plot that, if that was the question. So we're now going to have a solid line because it's less than or equal to 7. So we're doing this. There you go. There's my solid line. Solid, as I said, because it clearly says less than or equal to 7. Now, they want us to label the region R. That's the region R. They didn't want us to shade it, but we'll do it anyway. So that area there is your R region.